today. It's been a really awesome experience seeing the different ages all connect to the submarine. So when we're out and we're talking to students, we're always talking the different career opportunities, and we're working on career and connected learning.
I think because there's a lot of companies here that come here and you can get your foot in the door. There's a whole bunch of companies that are in Connecticut and I didn't know that. So coming here, it showed me there's a whole bunch of companies. There's companies East Haven, New Haven, where our school is located. So it's close. I can go to school, check in the morning, and then go to work and get paid for it. So that's what I'm trying to do and that's what I'm willing to do, and all these companies here are giving us that opportunity.
We came here looking for new opportunities outside of traditional college to present to the kids. We were blown away, very excited about being here. It turned out to be an excellent experience for our students.
The students enjoy this field trip. They like the interaction, they like the hands-on, and they have a great time.
A lot of kids don't know exactly what we make, how we make it, or where they go into. So just telling them, like, we make fasteners for roller coasters, we make fasteners for microscopes, and anything you can think of in between, just it piques their interest and it's nice to see them so like into it.